So here's a quick update on the parking surveillance for the 70mai Omni Dash Cam. Things I did, it was mounted here in the beginning. I believe this was blocking, so I repositioned right over here. And let's go ahead and give it a test. Gonna turn off the vehicle.
Entering the parking surveillance mode.
All right. So we'll check if the AI detection works. So you want to stand in front of the camera for at least 20 seconds. The camera must be able to see your entire body. All right, I think that's about 20 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and walk to the left. Hopefully that's detecting me right now. Following. I'm gonna go ahead and walk to the right. Okay, make sure it detects me. Let's go ahead and walk to the middle. Right, hopefully that's detected. I can't really see it because of the glare of the sun. But let's go ahead and go back inside the car. All right, so we're inside the car. Now we're gonna go ahead and start up the car.
Abnormal events are detected during parking. Please enter the Dashcam album to view the parking surveillance video.
So it looks like it worked. Now I'll show you the footage of it. So some keynotes. An active object needs to be in the field of vision for more than 20 seconds to trigger. I think the field of vision needs to be obstruction free, which I did not have in the first place. The algorithm will not detect a human if it only sees half the body. If only half the body is shown, the algorithm might not be able to recognize the figure as a human.
If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.